Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is kingsfx here. So in this video we are going to be continuing our series. We started this series by understanding trending market, and also I shared with you there are a few things you need to know as a trader, okay, whether irrespective of the strategy you are trading. And that is exactly those things I'm sharing with you right now. So this information I'm sharing here is going to change your trading, believe me. All right, so if you follow the process, you are going to see changes, guys. You are going to see results. So if you have not watched the first series that's on trend, you can actually go back and check it out. The second one is on support and resistance. You can also check it out. So today we are diving into the third thing, which I mentioned that day also, that is in the previous videos. So the third thing is trend reversal. I said as a trader, you need to understand trend. Irrespective of the kind of trader you are, the strategy you are using, the time frame you trade, these are the basic price action informations you need to know. Now, if you understand the trend, you need to also take cognizance of support and resistance. You need to also pay close attention to support and resistance. A lot of people use there are strategies that don't actually put support and resistance into consideration, but it's very important you understand support and resistance and how they work. So if you don't actually understand support and resistance beyond just drawing lines, that means you have a long way to go. So you can check the last video and to also get the concept of this support and resistance. So the third thing we are doing today is trend reversal. So as a trader, our job is to know when the price is going to continue trending or when the price is going to reverse, so that you take advantage of the reversal or you take advantage of the trend, right? So you want to get some information on trend reversal. Now we know about trending market, now we know about support and resistance. Then the next thing is to understand trend reversal. So that is exactly what we are going to be breaking down in this section, right? So you can't know about you can't just understand trend reversal without understanding some patterns. And what do I mean by those patterns? Some price action reversal patterns. So you need to know some reversal patterns that will actually help you understand when the price is reversing, right? So that those patterns we are going to be learning is going to help you know when the price is kind of giving you signal of reversal, so that you'll be able to take advantage of that reversal. Maybe enter you using maybe the sniper, enter with the trend or anything like that. So even, and the important thing again, if you know when the price is reversing and you have been taking, maybe you are selling and the price have been pushing down, so with the reversal pattern you start taking profit, right? Then start thinking of trading otherwise, maybe against, in terms, maybe if you are selling, you start thinking of buying, right? So but if you don't understand reversal, you will even be closing trades that have been in profit in loss, because you won't know when the price is reversing and you keep holding the trade thinking the price is pushing down, why the price is about to reverse. So it's important also to take profit and also to make entry on time. Okay, so having said this, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video, and also don't also forget to always give my videos a thumbs up. All right, this supports and also encourages me to do or create more videos like this, guys. Okay, so also remember, if you want to learn trading the right way, you can also join my mentorship program. Go to kingsfx and click on the mentorship and join any of the package you want, and you are going to enjoy you are going to enjoy the mentorship program. You are going to learn trading, or you are going to be seeing trading in another way or in another dimension, guys. So you can actually also you can also join my VIP signal group. Also is open for everybody now. Also you are still going to be registering for that at kingsfx.com. When you click on the mentorship section, also you are going to see the signal package, so you can actually sign up for that too. So having said that, we proceed with this. So now if let's start with price movement. Let's say that the price is trending up, guys. Okay, let's say that this price is trending up. So remember, there is no way the price will keep moving to the upside. The price will never continue to move to the upside forever. So sometimes the price will reverse and push the side, maybe push sideways or reverse and trend to the downside. So if this price is trending to the upside this way, there are every tendency that with time the price can actually decide to reverse and start pushing to the downside. Okay, so the important thing we are going to be learning today is what actually happened around here, okay, that caused this price to reverse and start pushing to the downside. So that if we have been buying here or here or here or here or here, we should be able to know when the price is reversing, so that we take our profits anywhere around here or anywhere around here or anywhere around here or anywhere around here, so that we won't be on this trade. Maybe if you enter here and you don't understand reversal patterns, you'll be in this trade. Maybe you entered buy here and you have made all this money right here, and because you don't understand reversal pattern, you was not able to close your trade, and the price pushed down again to this point, and by then you lost all the profit you made. So that's not the kind of trader you want to be. See yourself in profit, and at the end of the day you lose all the money. So as I said, we want to know what actually happened around this zone that caused the price to reverse and start pushing to the downside. So that's our interest today. That's exactly what we're going to be doing today. So if you understand the reversal or what causes the reversal or some reversal patterns, then you'll be able to take advantage of also the next move. So if you actually missed all these entries, okay, now you also don't want to miss all these entries to the downside again. You don't want to miss the entries again to the downside. So that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. Okay, so now we know how the kind of what's a reversal, a price reversal look like, just with this sketch. Then we want to see, okay, some of the patterns that the price creates, okay, that the price creates when reversing, okay, and that's very important. If you understand those patterns, you'll be able to at least if you get used to those patterns, you'll be able to dictate or know when the price is about reversing, right? So we are going to be starting with my favorite. Okay, we are going to be starting with my favorite pattern. That's my favorite pattern, so I don't want, there's no argument. So for me, that's my own. So you can actually have a favorite pattern that you use, so it might not be exactly what I'm using, so bear with me, guys. So you can also drop your own favorite patterns. If you have been using patterns maybe for your entry or for reversal signal, anything like that, drop your own pattern in the comment section. Maybe I've not heard about it before. I will maybe from there learn that one. You can actually teach me in the comment section too. So guys, drop a comment on the pattern you feel like is the most effective in your trading so far. So the first pattern I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the double top and double bottom, or W and M pattern. Okay, the price pushing up this way, then push and retest the same zone and bounce back, okay, to the downside. So because the price retested a particular zone twice, okay, level twice or zone, that's the reason why it is called a double top. So we have the first touch, okay, and the retest right here. So So that's why this is called the double top, okay, or M pattern. You see this pattern look like M, right? So the opposite is the double bottom. The price pushing this way, test this zone, bounce back again, and retest this zone, and we move to the upside. Now that this particular one is a double bottom, right? So the first and the second, you can see is also a W. It looks like a W, so you can actually call it a double bottom or W pattern, right? So now this particular one is a reversal pattern, okay? Is a reversal pattern, bullish reversal pattern. Right, so this one is a bearish reversal pattern. Hope I'm sorry about my spelling. I now discovered I made a mistake. So about the spelling right there. So we have the bullish, what am I typing? The bullish reversal pattern and the bearish reversal pattern. Okay, so that our M here, or double top, is a bearish reversal pattern. What it means is that if the price is pushing up, and in the process maybe the price is pushing up this way, and in the process the price is giving us an M pattern, okay, if the price is pushing up this way and in the process is giving us M pattern, anywhere we see this is a signal of reversal, that the price is reversing, right? So but not always. So not always. We are going to also see some special levels that we'll be looking out for this kind of reversal pattern. But once you see this, it simply means that the price have failed to create a higher high at this zone, okay, which is a high that is higher than the previous high, which is the only way for the price to keep pushing to the upside. Okay, so you know, a definition of an uptrend, the price have to keep its recent high higher than the previous one. But here the price failed to keep its recent high, which is this one, higher than the the previous one. It's actually failed to keep this recent high higher than the previous one, and that is exactly why I say that this is a signal for reversal, right? That the price is about to reverse. So whenever you see this, maybe you have been on this trade for a while, you start taking profit, right? Start taking profit because the price have failed to keep its recent high higher than the other or the previous ones. Okay, now what if the price is trending to the downside also? The price trending to the downside, and at a point the price decided to create a double bottom or W pattern. So it's also a signal that the price is reversing also to the upside. Okay, the price is also reversing to the upside. So the price failed to keep its recent low, which is this one, lower than the previous one, right? This particular low couldn't break this low, so they were at the same point. That means that they are losing, the sellers are now losing power right here. They couldn't break the previous low to create a new low for the price to continue pushing to the downside. So this exactly, whatever that is happening here, or this pattern created here, is a signal that the price is about to change to the opposite direction, guys. There are other ways to confirm this, okay? That's why I said not just because the price is now creating double top, it doesn't happen all the time. So you need to also confirm the valid reversal pattern also, when it's valid and when it's not valid, okay, which probably I'll be teaching you guys. Okay, so that's that for this first pattern. So this is my favorite pattern, guys, so you can also drop your own favorite pattern in the comment section. Okay, so the next pattern we are going to be learning is the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so we have the head and shoulders and the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Okay, the inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we also have the valid and invalid. For me, okay, we have the invalid head and shoulders pattern and the valid one. Okay, and that is exactly what actually determines if the price is likely going to reverse for creating this pattern. So that, but I'm just giving you generally the pattern right here. So you have this first shoulder, you have this head, and you have the second shoulder. So that is exactly what is known as the head and shoulders pattern. So it's a reversal pattern. Okay, it's a bearish reversal pattern. You know, you are going to be looking for opportunity to sell, okay, at this second shoulder, right? So the inverse is the same thing. We have the first shoulder, we have the head, and we have the second shoulder. Okay, so you expected to be buying at this second shoulder, you expected to be selling at this second shoulder. So this are another reversal pattern you are going to be looking out for. So if the price is pushing up also and towards a zone, the price started to create this pattern right here, it's also a signal for a change of trend. Okay, when the price decided to create this pattern, is also a signal for change of trend. So towards the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why some of this head and shoulders pattern and some double top, double bottom, all the patterns I'm going to be sharing with you today. I'm going to also show you the valid one and the invalid one. So you don't just, the problem that most of us have is that we just read about head and shoulders pattern or watch videos on head and shoulders pattern, but we don't even understand the ones that are valid and the ones that are invalid. What I mean by valid and invalid is the one that have this high probability of playing out. Okay, of playing out. You know, not all of them that will play out well. Okay, after this you can actually see head and shoulder. After the creating this, the price can keep pushing up, right? So you need to know the ones that are valid and the ones that are invalid. So I'm going to be sharing this towards the end of this video, guys. So this is another pattern I love using for reversal. Okay, that's another pattern I love using for reversal. So that is the second one. Okay, sorry about this, that's the second one. So the next pattern I'm going to be sharing is the ascending channel and descending channel. Ascending channel and descending channel. Now this channel, you need to understand how they work. Okay, you need to understand how they work. So we are looking at channel right now. So this particular one is the ascending. You can see that the channel is going up, so it's ascending to the upside, and this one is a descending channel. Okay, so an ascending channel is a bearish reversal pattern. So the price is about to reverse to the downside. You are looking for this channel towards maybe a resistance zone or anything. The price is likely going to reverse when the price breaks out from this channel. So if the price is maybe from here pushing enter this zone, retest this zone, test this zone, test this zone. So now you are actually going to be waiting for the price to break out of this channel for you to start making entry, right? So once the price break out of this channel, you are likely going to see this, and this to the downside. Okay, so now the descending, okay, you might have the price push into this, and the price started, you know, creating this structure to the downside. Okay, and once the price break out of this, okay, once the price break, the price can actually retest the channel again. The price can actually retest the channel, and after retesting, you have this movement to the upside. So these are the two what the price normally do. Either the price break out of this channel and push down, or the price break out, retest, and, you know, push up. Okay, so now if you understand this particular pattern, so whenever the price is creating that pattern, you are now waiting for a breakout. Okay, but the breakout, okay, the breakout doesn't happen anywhere, and not just because the price have broken your channel. It's not like once the price break out from the channel, you jump, you know, start selling or start buying. No, you must understand when the breakout is valid and when is invalid. Okay, so these are the three basic chart patterns I use for reversal. Okay, there are tons of them. Okay, you can actually go and check out, maybe browse it, anything like that, or check some videos, but I'm sharing with you the ones I use and the ones I feel like is the most effective for me, for my trading. So you can actually test this out. Maybe you testify, or you'll be able to see some different, or why I use these particular patterns. Okay, reversal patterns. So these are the patterns you look out for whenever you are, maybe you are watching your trade and you start seeing this kind of patterns. Then you get ready for a reversal. You get ready to trade to the opposite direction, right? So these are the patterns I use. Okay, so now let me share this important information with you. Okay, but before then, we can actually go to the chart. Okay, you can actually go to the chart and view these patterns. Okay, and check out these patterns. So if you look right here, okay, if you look right here, you can actually see that the price is creating a pattern towards retesting this zone. Okay, as the price is retesting, this is a flip zone. Anyway, so as the price is retesting this zone, is also creating an important pattern towards that zone. Okay, the price is also creating a pattern towards that zone, and if you look closely, we have a strong support level right here, now serving as resistance. So the price is actually moving to this level. So I will not go beyond this, guys. Okay, but if you look closely, the price is testing this level, and in the process, the price is actually creating a pattern. So we might be seeing something like this, okay, like this, or something like this, till the price breakout and continue to the downside. Okay, these are likely what will happen, or the price keep going, breakout or something, retest, and continue to the upside. But this is not actually what we are here to do. We want to identify those patterns. Okay, so now that's the first pattern. You can see from here the price is actually pushing to the upside, though the movement is actually corrective in nature here, but the price is actually pushing up. So at this zone, the price pushed down, spiked to the upside. Now here the price created a pattern, and what is the pattern? The price gave us the double top pattern, and after this the price actually reversed to the downside, right? The price reversed to the downside after creating this pattern. Okay, so the same way right here, the price was pushing to the downside, and towards this zone the price created also the same double bottom and reversed to the upside. Okay, so it you can see it goes on and on and on and on. So let's say the price pushed up, also created this pattern again. So let's see where this reversal happened. Look at where the reversal happened before this massive move to the downside. The price have been pushing up from here. You can see the price have been up, and at this point the price created these patterns. Okay, so now if you look here, you can actually see we have several touches, 1 2 3 touch, but all the same, they are all tops. That is, we have the triple tops, top, we have the double top and all that, but all of them, they are the same thing, guys. They are the same thing, so you need to understand this. So we have this 1 2 3 touch. We have also, you can take this as 1 2 or this one 1 2, but all this thing we are seeing here, because the price is failing to break the previous high. Okay, the price have failed, which is what I explained. Once the price is failing to break the previous high, if the price is trending up, that means it's a sign that we are about to reverse to the downside. Okay, so these are the patterns you'll be looking out for whenever you are taking your trade, or whenever you are looking out for trade opportunities. Okay, so can also see other patterns, other reversal patterns. Maybe let me see if I can actually picture head and shoulders pattern anywhere close here. Let me see if I can picture that. So okay, I'm trying to see if I can get one example of head and shoulders pattern on this chart. I'm trying to see if I can get one example of head and shoulders pattern, or inverse head and shoulders pattern. So but you get the concept anyways of change of trend. Okay, so that's why I said I use mostly, my favorite is double top and double bottom, because those ones are, you know, it happens most time. Okay, it happens most time. There we have already seen the first one we shared is the channel. Okay, which we have this is the ascending channel. So once the price break out here, we are going to be making entry or pushing this price to the downside, right? So, and we have seen double top. Then because of time, we might not be able to check out head and shoulders pattern, but you can check it out yourself. Now the most important, what I'm sharing here, is basically what you are likely not going to be seeing out there, right? So you can actually see head and shoulders pattern, like people teaching head and shoulders pattern and all that, even how to enter them. But now, how do you trade them profitably? What are the valid ones and the invalid ones, and why, right? So now let's start from double top. If the price is pushing up, pay close attention. Okay, and let's say the price created another high, okay, and push down a bit and create a top, okay, this way. There's every tendency, if you look here, this one is not the best for me to trade. You can see this is a double top, but it's not best for me to trade. Okay, the price actually tested the zone twice, but what will happen is, what happens most time, so that's why I said you don't just get, not just you understanding or hearing or learning double top, but you need to understand the ones that are valid and the ones that are invalid. And remember, what I'm saying is based on my experience and my own trade, that is my trading experience and the back testing. Okay, you can also go back to check out these things. Okay, and whatever I'm saying here is not 100%, it's not 100%, but most time it happens. So we are looking for something that gives us an edge over the market. We are looking for that percentage difference, so that your winning rates will increase and you decrease the rates which you lose out or lose trades. And these are the things that are going to keep you profitable. So there is no strategy or anything, information that's 100% in the forex market, but you are looking for an edge, right? So now if you look here, what the price does most time is that the price is going to take this as a retest zone or something. Even after creating the double top, the price will retest that zone, okay, and keep buying. It happens. it happens. So for the fact that you observed this change of trend, the pattern, okay, that the price created by failing to, keep this higher than the previous one, is not just the only criteria you are going to be looking out for. You need to know when it is valid and when it's likely going to play out, right? So the price can create this and keep going up, and that is the information I want to share with. That's why I said stick to the end of this video, because this is the point you learn or you differentiate yourself from just an average trader out there, right? So you need to know when these things are going to work better. Okay, now what are we looking for? So assuming the price is creating this, let's say the price is pushing to the upside, okay, and at a point the price started to create, let's say move this way, come back again, and it's now creating this. Now at this point, this is the one I think for me is the best. And why? In fact, what is the difference between this one? That's where in fact that's the way I will explain this, so it will be more easier to understand. So what is the difference between this and this? So now you have two. This is also head and shoulders pattern. Sorry, this is also double top. So now what is the difference between this one and this one? Why do I say that this one is invalid or is not the best setup for me, and this one is kind of the best, okay, when it comes to head and shoulders pattern? Now I want you to pay close attention to the price action right here. If you look, the price have been creating this higher high, okay, this one, and created a higher low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. So the price created another swing high. Then what are we expecting for this price to keep pushing up? Is for the price to create another swing low that's higher than this. And if you look at this particular low, this is also a swing low, and the low is higher than the previous low. And for the price to change this swing low, okay, one of the signal is that the high, this current high should not be able to break the previous high, and also this low, we should have a low that will break the previous low. But if you look at this current low, is still higher than the previous low, so we are still having that bullish movement. We are still having that bullish power right here. There is no signal that the price is about to reverse at this zone. What the price does is that after this, even though the price have created the pattern, the price will from here push up again. So this becomes the next swing low, and from there the price can bounce back and boom to the upside. So by now, if you made entry on this trade using just double top information without understanding that those ones that are valid and the invalid ones, at this zone you are going to be losing out on this trade. You're going to be losing out on this trade because your stop loss is likely going to be above the swing high. Okay, so at this zone, this is a losing trade. So that's exactly the reason why you should always pay close attention to whatever the price is doing as it's creating the pattern. Now if you look right here, we have the price created a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, then another swing high, then swing low. Pay close attention. You see this particular current swing high, this one here, is higher than this, and this is higher than this. This swing low is higher than this, and this is higher than this. Now at this point, the price created a new swing high, which is this one, and this particular swing high is higher than this. Now the next swing low, which is this, So look at the next swing low. We are paying close attention. That's we are going to be focusing on. Now look at the next swing low. If you look closely, you are going to see that this swing low is now lower than the previous low. Look at the previous low right here. So this, you can see this particular one here. So this current swing low is now lower than the previous swing low. That means we had a selling power. We have more sellers into this market now, that they were able to break the previous low of this trend, okay, which is a signal of a change of trend. Now the price at the same time created a double top pattern, which is also a signal for change of trend. So you are now having confluence, not just because of the double top, but because of the breakout from the previous low. The price have given you two signals, two reversal information right here. So that's exactly the reason why this price is likely going to play out well than this one. This is exactly why this price is going to play out well than this one. Okay, so that's basically the difference. That is the information I said. If you stick towards the end of this video, you are going to see another dimension of this double top. So you don't just trade because the price is creating double top or double bottom. Okay, you also check out how this double top and double bottom is forming. Okay, in order to keep this video short, because I believe most of you are going to be complaining that my videos are long, I'm going to be stopping here. Okay, if you want to learn more about all these things, the ones that are valid, invalid, how to enter the trade, the exact point you enter, also consider joining the mentorship program if you wish. It's not compulsory. You mustn't pay for mentorship program to be profitable. That's why I'm bringing this information here on YouTube free of charge. So I'll be bringing more information on this, on how you can actually improve your trading, how you can reduce losses and start seeing profit and start making money, start enjoying this forex market. Okay, so I will be dropping more videos on this, and in the next video probably I'm going to be sharing with you some candle, for me the best or my favorite reversal candlestick patterns, so that whenever you are seeing these particular patterns we are seeing that we just shared now, that is chart patterns that we just shared now, you can also add up the reversal candlestick pattern forming at that zone for a confluence, for you to have more signals now, more reversal signals. If you're able to understand the breakout I just explained, and also understand the chart pattern and combine this information together, adding candlestick patterns, reversal patterns, then you have more confluences now to take a trade, and probably you are going to be having a higher probability trade setup, okay, by combining all this information together. So that's that for this video. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoy this. Bye for now, guys.